Day, Lesson 10.
It's class day. Isn't that great? And I want to be the class leader.
This is going to be a great class day.
Next age.
Special class day. Attention.
Wow, you look just like a teacher.
Yeah.
Hey! No. Ladies and gentlemen. Class day. We have been waiting for class day for a long time. But for a great class day, we need a class leader. But is there someone in our class who can be the class leader? Do we have someone? Do we have someone who can be the class leader? I know who it is, I know.
Is there someone?
He knows who it is?
It's a boy. He is very handsome. His name is Tong Tong. So, and, what I mean is,
Hey, guys! It's our class day. What are we going to do? Well? Do you have any ideas?
a fashion show.
A fashion show.
Wow, that's great.
No!
Girls. Hey, how about this?
Oh, no, Piggy, not food again. Oh, no.
Just listen. How about a bazaar?
Oh.
A bazaar?
So go on. Then what?
Yes, so we have to bring different foods to sell. Isn't that a good idea? We can eat the food. So what do you think? Food again.
Yes. Well, how about having a song contest instead of a bazaar? Then people can hear us. Alrighty then.
Yeah.
How about a circus? Wouldn't that be great?
Hey, are you making fun of me?
Hey. How about a ballet?
Oh.
How elegant.
Not that. How about a concert? We could form an orchestra.
That's good. How about a play?
I want a circus.
Hey! Let's put it to a vote. Let's vote. This is what we'll do. Hold up your hand when you hear your number.
I'll help you.
Thank you. Number 1, a concert.
Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Tong, tong, 11 votes for number 1.
Okay. 11.
Number 2 is next.
Ooh, yes, a circus.
Huh? 11 votes, and I choose number 2, so that makes 12.
12.
Next, number 3.
Best fashion show.
12 again. Tong, tong, 12 again. Tong, tong. Tong, tong.
Huh?
Okay, number 4.
Oh.
12 again this time.
Me too.
Huh? Well, then it's 13 with Tong Tong.
13.
11, 12, 12, 13. Okay, our class day project will be a play this year.
Ta-da! What do you say?
Phew, you scared me. What's that?
Huh? What? This is a fireman's costume.
Oh?
What? What's wrong?
How can a fireman put out a fire looking like that?
Well,
Oh, he's so funny. Oh, look at Piggy.
What are you supposed to be?
What? We are going to be what we want to be. I want to be a cook, and I'm going to make a lot of delicious...
Okay. Topi, how about you?
Yes, I want to be a teacher. That's my dream.
If you become a teacher, the students are all going to run away.
No, there won't be any homework at all, and no tests.
wow, that sounds really great, Sophie.
And you?
An athlete. I like sports.
My dream is to become a singer. A singer? Can you sing better than me? No, but I like singing very much. Me too. Really? Singers are really great.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to sing a song?
Yes, I do.
What do you want to be? Or like dancing and singing a song? What do you want to be? Or like dancing and singing a song?
actors can be anyone.
Do you know what's the best job in the world? It's the actor, it's the actor, yes, it's the actor. An actor can be everything, everyone, everywhere. An actor can be a king, a beggar, a teacher, a policeman, a fireman, an architect, a soldier. An actor can be everything, everyone, everywhere. An actor is best. I want to be an actor.
Oh, Tong Tong, you're working really hard.
Yes. Hey, how about this?
Ah, did you all decide what you want to do?
Yes.
It's important for the play to look great, so you have to act as if you are really that person.
Yes.
Good luck to you all.
Shall we get back to work? Yay!
To be or not to be?
What time is it now?
It's 6 o'clock. If my stomach is on time, it's 6 o'clock.
Oh, wow, it really is 6 o'clock.
Yes, I'm hungry.
Oh?
Oh, children.
Tong Tong.
Choo-choo.
I brought your favorite apples. Thank you. Piggy, eat slowly, huh?
Teacher, would you like some?
Teacher, want some?
Oh, you're such little sweethearts. Is there something we can do to help you, children?
Well,
Yes.
Please?
Maybe, class day? That should be fun. Class day. Oh. Oh, those kids.
Are you all ready?
Yes.
Lights. Good, okay. Next, the music. Music, okay. Next. Check the background. Number 1.
Wow, that is great.
Good. Number 2. Huh?
Tong Tong and Piggy. My goodness.
Let's finish and get ready for the real play.
Yeah!
Somebody help me, please. Ouch.
Shall I help you?
Thank you. I'll sing a song for you. La la.
Oh, my, that's wonderful.
Thief, get him! Help!
Go and tell the policeman.
Will he help me? Whoa! Help me! What's wrong? A thief robbed my house. Can you catch him? Okay. Here! Thank you! Mr. Policeman, is there something I can help you with? Oh, yes. I have not laughed for a long time. I lost my smile. I want it back. Really? Wait. Ha, ha, ha. You're funny. You make me laugh.
Oh, Tom, that's my boy.
Embarrass him.
Fire! 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 My house is on fire!
Go tell the fireman.
Fireman! My house is on fire! Help me! Oh, thank you. Is there something I can help you with?
I would like something delicious to eat.
Then let's go. I'll make something for you.
Ooh.
Hey, what's wrong?
I have to send a letter.
Then ask the mailman.
Thank you. Excuse me, I have to send a letter. Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Oh, thanks. Mr. Postman, is there something that I can help you with?
I want to be smart.
Oh, well, I can help you with that. Well, thank you.
There are many jobs in the world, and they are all important. As you've seen in our play, you can't do anything alone. It is only possible when we work together. So we have to do our best. And we all promise that we are going to grow up to be respectable people.